3 o'clock. It's 2:58. It's 70 degrees out.
Okay, here we are. What's the date today? 26th? Here we are at 25th, Gateway Chemtrail Discovery Park. It's
April.
lovely, Portland, Oregon.
April 26th.
April 26th.
2019.
And so I just wanted to do just a quick little check-in here. Like I said, this is Gateway Chemtrail Discovery Park, where we watch the plane trails and then you know, check out any abnormalities and see what kind of cool things that our children are breathing.
I'm gonna keep trying to cool
cool
myself
swing
off.
set. This right here. Okay, dear. This right here. So you know, you can't really see there, but it's almost like an artificial God's eye. You know, one of those where, and you can see here. Those were plane trails right above there. That's all now gray and hazy. It's a blue, but it's called a chemtrail gray blue sky. It's got a hue to it it looks like the coast. It looks like, you know, what the Oregon coast will have, you know, with these marine air, but this is Portland. We're a couple hours in. But that ring around, I don't know what'll show up on the video. Nothing. On the sledding hill? Yeah. Just hang on a second here. I just want to grab a little bit of this. So it's hazy. Is what happens, and you can see some of the old lines there. They're opening up, and then some of them kind of, you know, evaporate. So it's difficult to tell at times. You know, I openly admit that which ones are opening up and creating, you know, this haze, which today is a ring. Gideon's eye, or what do they call that? I think Gideon's is around the moon. Artificial God's eye watching us from above. Clouds have created a ring. But you see, the clouds from the trails from the planes should be evaporating. If this is water vapor, if you're going to go with the water vapor theory, the plane trails should be evaporating, and they're not. So anyway, checking out Portland, Oregon. From Discovery Chemtrail Discovery Park, Gateway Chemtrail Discovery Park.
Bye.
Signing out. Look up. Take a look. See what you see. What looks unusual? Where did the blue sky go? Chemtrail gray.